Why do some anchors fail even in fresh drywall? Anchors fail in fresh drywall most often because the anchor type, hole preparation, or installation technique does not match the drywall condition and load requirements. Choose anchors rated for the expected load and for the drywall thickness you have. For example, heavy-duty hollow wall anchors or toggle bolts for concentrated loads, and self-drilling drywall anchors for light fixtures and small shelving. Measure drywall thickness with a short drill probe or by checking a cutout and select an anchor whose manufacturer specifies compatibility with that thickness rather than assuming universal fit. Drill the correct hole size when the anchor requires a pilot hole by using a drill bit one size smaller than the anchor sleeve for friction fit anchors or the exact size specified for expansion anchors. Oversized holes let the anchor wobble and undercut the holding mechanism. Inspect each anchor quickly for defects such as cracks in plastic sleeves, deformed threads, or bent wings on toggle anchors before inserting them because a damaged anchor will not form a proper mechanical interlock. Insert anchors flush and avoid overdriving screws, which strips the anchor body or crushes the drywall. Stop when the fixture is snug and test with light pull before applying full load. For heavy or safety-critical installations, consider backing with a wood blocking, use a stud, or install a retrofit support plate that spreads load across a larger area of the board. Common issues include using an anchor designed for light loads in a heavy load application, which leads to pullout. Correct this by selecting an anchor with a published holding capacity higher than the expected load, or move the attachment to a stud or blocking. A second frequent problem is drilling the wrong hole size or not drilling at all for anchors that need pilot holes, which causes poor expansion and wobble. Fix this by following the anchor manufacturer instructions exactly and reaming the hole if necessary to the proper diameter and depth. Third is installing into damaged or damp drywall, which reduces holding strength. Avoid this by replacing softened board, drying the area first, or relocating the anchor to intact, dry material, and using a backing plate for increased distribution. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare common installation practices and product options like anchors for drywall. We connect contractors with work opportunities and host a discussion community where members and tradespeople share practical tips and real-world experiences.